Welcome to Crypto Pulse, your go-to channel for the latest in cryptocurrency trading. If you're looking to stay ahead in the world of crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the most common trading methods on Binance. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your strategy, these approaches can help you make informed decisions in the fast-paced world of crypto. First, we have spot trading. It's the most straightforward method, where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies based on the current market price. It's perfect for beginners because you actually own the cryptocurrency, and there's no expiration on your trades. Next is margin trading, which allows you to borrow funds to increase your buying power. While this can amplify your gains, it also raises your risks, so always approach with caution. Then, there's futures trading, a method that lets you speculate on price movements without owning the actual asset. Futures allow for higher leverage, up to 125x on Binance. But with that comes a higher risk, so proper risk management is essential. For those seeking passive income, Binance offers staking and Binance Earn. These methods let you earn rewards by locking up your crypto or investing in flexible savings and launch pools. It's a less risky approach and great for long-term investors. Finally, we have copy trading, where beginners can mirror the trades of experienced traders on Binance. It's an easy way to get started without having to constantly monitor the market. Just remember to research the performance of the trader you're following. Each of these methods offers different opportunities depending on your trading style. Whether you're looking for active trading or a more passive approach, Binance has a variety of tools to help you succeed. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Pulse. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more trading tips and crypto insights.